Okay, here today we're going to be replacing the air cabin filter on a 2017 Hyundai uh, Santa Fe Sport. So the first thing we need to do is get that glove box open, and the first thing you'll see is these two door stops, one on the right, one on the left. They twist rough, but they're not the easiest things to get out. Yeah, they're mirrored, so one's left and one turns right clockwise and the other counterclockwise. And we also need to pull off the strap off the post. It's molded into the side of the glove box door. Pops right off. And now the glove box door is allowed to hang, exposing the opening for the cabin air filter. I've already taken the old one off yesterday, and today I just received a new one from Amazon. And make sure that you follow the arrows. The airflow is from top to bottom, so the arrows got to point down. Okay, so just slide it into its tray, and once you get that done, you have to, of course, get that door installed. It's got a tab on the left and a lock on the right. You may have to scoot down to see the tab opening. It's kind of deep. Just get that in there, and the other side just snaps into place. Okay, once that's done, of course, now we need to get the little strap reattached to its mounting post. Just snap it in, and of course, those two very difficult to maneuver door stops. Just have to line them up correctly to push in, and once they're in, just turn it about 90 degrees and it locks. And that just prevents the door from hanging beyond its limits. Okay, and we're all done.